Hey there, I'm Ben with DI How Do I, and today I'm going to show you how you can, hold on. I gotta take this, sorry. Thank you for calling Inspire Ford. How may I direct your call?
Yeah, do you have any of those new 21 Broncos in stock?
Yeah, we've had a lot of 2021 inventory just come in. Let me check our system, just one moment.
Okay.
Okay, we've got a phone up, so I'm gonna focus on getting this caller in for a test drive really quick. But when I'm done here, I can actually create a digital touch point so this customer can continue to explore their payment options and we can stay connected throughout their customer journey, even after they hang up.
Hello?
I'm right here, sir. So, great news. We just received a new 2021 Bronco Big Bend edition in Carbonite Gray yesterday. If you like, I can reserve it for you. You can come by and check it out. Would you have some time this afternoon?
You know, I'm gonna have to call you back. I'm gonna like call around for a few other places. I'm kind of trying to just like see what's out there.
Yeah, okay, for sure, no problem. We're also getting more deliveries all the time, so if you want, you can leave your number with me. I can text you so you're the first to know of any new Broncos that come in.
Yeah, actually, that sounds like a good idea. Let's do it.
Okay, awesome. Can I start with your name?
Yeah, it's
And great. Thanks so much, Mr. Higgins. If you decide to take that Bronco for a test drive, feel free to call us, and I'll be sure to text you if any new models come in.
yeah, okay.
Okay? All right, so clearly Mr. Higgins is trying to weigh his options, and normally I'd have to wait and see what happens here. But luckily, with Online Shopper, I can stay connected with this customer and make it easy for him to consider all of his payment options, so our dealership stays top of mind while he's calling around. Check this out. First, I'm gonna pop over into Automatic, the back end of Online Shopper, go to Customers, and click Add New. Now I'm gonna add the information I just got from Mr. Higgins, so his name, phone number, email. Okay, now that we got Mr. Higgins in Online Shopper, I can create a garage for him so he can explore his payment options in real time. And boom, now Mr. Higgins has his very own garage inside Online Shopper. Normally this would be cool enough for me to send as a follow-up, but Higgins is clearly playing the field and I don't wanna lose him to another dealership. So I'm gonna go ahead and trick out his garage with a few certified pre-owned Broncos. And let's try this 2021 Explorer as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to send this to him with a quick note and direct link to his garage. And done. Just like that, Mr. Higgins is going to be able to see the vehicle we discussed and my recommendations. On his end, with just one tap, he'll be able to dial in his payment options for all of these vehicles or any other vehicle he likes, add in his trade information, and even schedule an appointment through Online Shopper. And I don't have to do anything on my end. He'll have the chance to become more invested in our selections as he makes each vehicle personalized for his needs. And along the way, I can see every change he makes on my end through Automatic. And just like that, I was able to turn a phone up into a digital experience. So I can continue to nurture this lead, create some additional value for this prospect, and hopefully, whoa!
Hey, I'm Lionel Higgins. I called about the Broncos.
Mr. Higgins, yeah, so nice to meet you in person. Did you happen to find anything that you liked?
Well, actually, I wanted to test drive this black 2021 Ford Explorer. I found it in my garage thingy.
Okay, awesome. Why don't you wait right here and I can go get someone to pull that around for you. And that's how you make the most of every lead using Automatic and Online Shopper, no matter where they came from.
Do you guys have popcorn?
I was just about to ask if you wanted some popcorn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This way.
sounds great.
Of course.